All right, and 5 divided by 5. Gabe. 1. All right, so in your textbook, page 2 or number 2 says write the quotient. What is 14 divided by 2? I want you to write these on your whiteboard. The answer. So you have the. Oh, let me move this down. There we go. All right, 2A. We have that division problem. I would like for you to write that on your whiteboard, please. Good. Good, good, good. Excellent, excellent. All right, what is the answer?
7.
Let's do B, please. You do not have to write the actual problem. Just write the answer, please. That is quicker. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Correct. 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 The answer is
7.
28 divided by 4. Please write the answers. Correct. Yes. Good. Good. And what is the answer?
7.
All right, I need to see all your work. Show me what you've got, please, on these answers. I just want the answer. You don't have to write. So we are on E. 24 divided by 3.
What?
We're on E. 2E.
Oh.
2E. See the little E there. 24 divided by 3. Correct. 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 Boy, I need you to be writing on your whiteboard so I can see your work. Correct. Correct. And that's not quite right. Correct. Sam, what is the answer?
8.
8. 24 divided by 4. Correct. Correct. That's right. Correct. 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 Tyson, what is the answer? 6. 16 divided by 2. Tyson, that's not quite right. 16 divided by 2.
Isn't that right?
Yes, it is right. We have ahead of myself. Yes, yes, I see a lot of answers that are correct. Jonathan, what is the correct answer?
8.
8. 16 divided by 4. Show me your work, please. Yes. Correct. 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 Grayson, what is the answer? 4. 27 divided by 3. Correct. 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 Boy, what was the correct answer?
9.
Yes. 36 divided by 4. Yes. Correct. Yes. 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 what letter is that? I mean number, sorry, Grant, I can't tell. Correct. All right, I think I've seen everybody. So Grayson, what was the answer for J? 36 divided by 4. Gabe? 9. Very good. All right, let's move to our fun little pictograph with the happy little faces. This was all us on, when did we have our pizza party? Tuesday?
Yeah.
Tuesday. These were all our little happy faces when we were eating our pizza. Right here. Pizza, yay! All right, friends.
I want cheeseburgers.
Use the pictograph to answer the questions. What is the title of the pictograph? Need everybody to see. Look at where would you have to look on the pictograph to find the title of the pictograph? Grayson, where is it located?
On the top.
Yes, it is located on the top. So with that said, what is the title of our pictograph, Emmy? Lunch choices, yum, yum. So, well, we need to look at the bottom of the pictograph to find out one happy face equals how many students. So go to the bottom of the pictograph to find your answers because you need that knowledge to answer these questions. How many smiley faces equates students? How many students? Ella. One smiley face equals 5 students. So we're going to be counting by 5s, correct? All right. So let's answer some questions. How many students chose hamburgers? Sam? 20. Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. So, which was the least favorite choice? I would have to agree with this pictograph. I know.
I would disagree.
Sorry for those who enjoy these. Not my fave, especially out of all these choices. So, what would you say by our pictograph is the least favorite? Everyone's hand should be up. Look at the pictograph and find the answer. Luke, what is the answer? What is the least favorite? Hot dogs.
I agree. Yeah. I know.
I know. All right, so how many hot dogs were there, Luke?
There was 10.
There were 10. Very good. How many more students chose pizza than chicken nuggets? This is going to require what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division to answer this question. Owen.
Addition.
How many more students chose? So, is it going to be addition? What is your answer, Owen?
10.
Yes. And can you explain to me how you came to that answer?
I counted up from 25 to 35.
So there were 35 friends who had pizza. There were how many friends who had chicken nuggets?
25.
So if you were finding the difference between 35 and 25, would you add or would you subtract? Yes. Very good. And your answer is correct. It is 10. Very good. All right, so friends, on the next page, we talked about all of this not that long ago in our science class. Let me get that up. What do these look familiar?
Yes.
What are these? What is this called? What are these called? Emmy, a thermometer. Who remembers what the most popular choice of a scientist? Was it Celsius or was it Fahrenheit? M. Correct. But we are going to be dealing with Fahrenheit because that is the choice of Americans. We are one of the few who use Fahrenheit, but we use Fahrenheit to use as for our temperature gauge. So with that said, what are we going to write for our answer? Are we just going to write the number, or what are we going to write with the answer? Christian.
A S for Fahrenheit.
Yes. And remember that little circle, degree Fahrenheit. I'm going to just see if it will show up. Oh. So, I'm just using this as remember the little degree and then the F. That should be included with your answer because we are dealing with temperature, okay? Who can tell me, we got this little graph on top, what is the freezing point of water? Jeremiah. At the top.
32 degrees.
What is the boiling point? Jonathan.
212 Fahrenheit.
There you go. Degrees Fahrenheit. What is the normal body temperature? So this is our temperature, and it does fluctuate a bit from person to person. But for the most part, what is a normal body temperature? Olivia.
98.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
Beautiful. Yes, in the day of COVID, we have to take our temperatures more often, and it's always interesting to me how we can fluctuate a little degree from a little degree. But for the most part, it is 98.6. Very good, friends. So let us proceed. Number 4A. What is the Oh, I was like, what is that sound? I haven't heard that before. What is the temperature that each thermometer shows? So what about 4A? Jack.
41.
Ooh, close. So close.
42
Beautiful. 42 what?
Fahrenheit.
Degree, little dot. Degree Fahrenheit. Very good. How about B? Ooh, it is a nice warm summer day. So what is B? Sam?
88
88. 88 what?
degrees Fahrenheit.
Beautiful.
Hot.
It is hot.
Does it get near 9?
Not even close to what it is now, unfortunately.
Of course, this would be fun. Well,
I mean, it's a good day if you like snow and cold. So, what about C? What do we have here? So we have, are we at Celsius or are we at Fahrenheit? We have to make sure we are paying attention to the little thermometer. We have switched over to what? Celsius. So what is the reading of that, Owen? 13 degrees Celsius. So be mindful when you're writing your answer. Is it degree Fahrenheit? Oh, that late. Or degree Celsius. And it will say so on the thermometer. So you have to look at the thermometer. What about D, friends? Luke.
54 Celsius.
54 degrees Celsius. Let's move down to 5. Color to show the temperatures. What is the freezing point of water? You can use reference to the top if you have forgotten, and then you fill in where that is at. What is the freezing point of water? When Sheen? 32 what? Beautiful. So what is the freezing point of water in Celsius? Boy, 0. 0 what? Degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius? What are we monitoring on this one?
Degrees Celsius.
Yes, very good. How would you like a hot tub and boiling point of water? No, thank you.
Oh, no.
That would not be fun or relaxing. What is the boiling point of water, friends? Everybody track? What is the boiling point of water? I need an answer, please. Grayson?
98.
No. Gabe?
412 degrees
212 degrees
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. Very good. So mark that on your thermometer. Boiling point of water in degrees, but we're talking about Celsius and not Fahrenheit. Is that different or the same?
Different.
So what is the answer to that? I need you tracking me. What is the answer to that? Olivia?
100.
Yes. Very good. 100 what? 100 bunnies, 100 cats, 100 what?
100 degrees Celsius.
Beautiful. Very good. Oh, speaking of cats, since we have her as a captive audience, can I bring in Mia tomorrow, or yay or nay? It's totally up to you. If you say no, oh.
Can I share my Christmas miracle? And ask you.
Because Mrs. Happily loves cats.
Okay.
All right, Doss, thank you.
I went to Virginia to see my son. Remember how he moved to Virginia on me? And so for Christmas, my husband and I drove down to Virginia, and he has 2 cats. 2! And not only do I hate cats, I'm allergic to cats. So we wondered how this trip was going to go. I never sneezed one time. Wow.
That's amazing.
I had no reaction. Now, I went to my sister-in-law's after my mother-in-law's funeral on Saturday. She had a cat. Within 10 minutes, I was having problems with it. And so we just call it our Christmas miracle.
Wow, that is
Because,
crazy.
I mean, literally, my eyes didn't itch, my nose didn't run, my roof of my mouth didn't itch. Absolutely 0 reaction to 2 cats in that house.
So
it
the
was
medication that you took at your, that is, did you take the same medication at your sister-in-law's? Oh, wow, that is a Christmas miracle.
It was a Christmas miracle because I was there for 4 days and 4 nights. Yeah,
Wow.
so, see, God can take care of it because I started praying when I knew I was going that God would help me not to be too sick. That's how I prayed. Help me not to react too badly. And God just took care of everything.
That's amazing. That is amazing.
It is.